Window sills and window wells must be treated as primary water management elements when planning exterior house painting. Start by inspecting the sill and well for rot, loose caulk, and gaps where water concentrates and penetrates. Remove failing paint back to sound material using scraping and medium grit sanding. And test soft spots with a screwdriver to find hidden decay. Replace or repair rotten sections with compatible materials like primed wood, cellular PVC, or epoxy consolidant plus a patch, ensuring the repair is recessed slightly to accept flashing and coating. Install metal or flexible flashing under the sill nose and up behind the cladding, so water is directed out and cannot run behind trim. Overlap flashings by at least 1 inch and seal vertical laps with a paintable flashing tape. Use an elastomeric sill coating on areas prone to movement and fine cracking because its stretch and recovery reduce water migration. Apply 2 thin coats and follow the product recoat times. Finish with a semi-gloss exterior paint to allow easier cleaning and better wear at the drainage plane. And make sure sills are sloped away from the window, a minimum of 1/4 inch per foot, so water sheds off rather than pools. The most common mistake is painting over soft or rotted wood without replacement, which hides the problem and traps moisture. Always probe suspect substrate and repair or replace before priming and painting. Another frequent issue is missing or poorly integrated flashing that lets water bypass the paint system. Correct this by installing continuous flashings that tie sill, trim, and cladding into a clear drainage path and seal vertical transitions with compatible flashing tape. A third concern is using rigid, non-stretch coatings over moving joints, which causes cracks and leaks. Address this by selecting elastomeric or flexible primers and sealants at control joints and recoat areas, showing hairline movement with products specified for dynamic joints. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors experienced with sill repairs, flashing installation, and exterior coatings, so projects get the water management work done right before painting. We connect contractors with homeowners seeking jobs and host a discussion community where users and pros exchange tips on repair techniques, product choices, and sequencing for durable exterior house painting.